I guess this is the end of graphic designers. These days, everyone wants to grow their social media accounts, businesses, and personal brands, but without professional visualization, you simply can't make it happen. What I mean is, you need to create eye-catching posters, banners, logos, and even thumbnails to grow your business or social media presence. And producing these consistently, that's probably a nightmare for every business owner out there. Think about it. Either you spend countless hours doing it yourself, learning software like Photoshop or Illustrator, watching tutorial after tutorial, or you hire professional designers who charge anywhere from $50 to $500 per design. In both conditions, you're burning through your money and time. And let's be honest, consistency is the key to branding. But maintaining that consistency when you're creating designs manually or coordinating with multiple freelancers, it's exhausting. But what if I told you there's a better way? What if we could use our creative minds to imagine the design and let AI do all the heavy lifting? Well, that's exactly what Lovart is made for. This tool is a tough competitor for traditional graphic designers. And I'm not exaggerating. It's an all-in-one tool for making posters, banners, logos, social media graphics, and so much more. What makes Lovart truly interesting and different from other AI design tools is that it works on a continuous conversation method. You give feedback, and Lovart improves the design accordingly. The more feedback you give, the closer it gets to your imagined design. So, in the video, I will show you how I made some incredible posters using Lovart's agentic AI, and I'm going to show you exactly how powerful this tool is. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the main interface of Lovart. As you can see, when you first log in, you're greeted with a beautiful gallery where a lot of creators are posting their work that they made with Lovart. It's actually pretty inspiring to see what others are creating. Now let me show you how simple it is to get started. Here at the text bar, you can input your text prompt. You can also upload reference files, images, and describe your idea in simple, everyday words. You don't need to be a designer or know technical jargon. Just describe what you're imagining, and Lovart will generate it for you. Now let's actually test it with a real example. For this demonstration, I gave Lovart this iconic 2008 Ronaldo Manchester United jersey. Now, I want to create a poster around this, so I told Lovart to rebrand it by describing exactly what I want, the style, the vibe, the colors, everything. I wrote a detailed prompt explaining my vision, and then I simply clicked Generate. Now take a look at what happened. Within seconds, it generated this poster according to my prompt. The composition, the colors, the overall aesthetic, it's all there. Now, if you want to make changes in the poster, you can do it in the same exact canvas. Just right-click on the poster, select Add to Chat. Now give it the instruction, something like, can you change the canvas background with vertical portrait orientation with clean white off-white background? It will regenerate the poster according to your vision. As you can see, let's try with one another prompt. Can you make the jersey look like 3D rendered? Also add some 3D depth on background, so it looks like shoot on a studio. See, I just write my vision in simple words, and it gives that exact output I want. Last one. Okay, can you make the jersey a little bit oversized? But that's not all, because here's where real designing starts, and this is what separates Lovart from basic AI generators. I can change this poster's text, modify the font, adjust the layout, or even generate completely different versions of the jersey if I want. Let's say I want to change the text of the poster. For that, I don't need to generate another version of this poster by describing the particular text. All I need is to click on Edit Text right here. Now you have full access to modify any text word while keeping the original artistic font. You can change the wording to anything you want. As you can see, I just changed the text into my channel name. But now I want this text to stay behind the jersey to create more depth and a layered effect. So for that, we're going to click on Edit Element. And now, look at this. It separates all the elements from the poster. Now I have full control to move, resize, and rearrange things anywhere on this poster. It's like having Photoshop level control, but without the complexity. Let's place the text behind the jersey, and also change the font to something that matches the overall aesthetic of this poster. I'm going to try a different font here. This one looks good. Well, you can even replace the background of this poster according to you. I generated this poster before recording. If I want, I can simply drag this poster background to my current poster. Now, once after, if everything looks good to you, you can simply merge the elements together like this. After that, if you want, you can upscale the poster up to 8K. Now it looks like something professional, something you'd actually pay a designer to create. Now, what if I want Ronaldo to wear the jersey again, but this time not as a player but as a model? Absolutely, we can. For this, I brought two separate pictures, one of Ronaldo and one of the jersey I want. Now, what I'm going to do is select jersey using Ctrl+. To add on chat, also select the Ronaldo image. This allows me to combine multiple elements seamlessly. Now here on the canvas, I have write a detailed prompt where I tell the AI agent to make a professional Photoshop poster combining these two elements, with Ronaldo wearing the jersey in a model-like pose with studio lighting. Let's hit generate and see what happens. Give it a few seconds, and there we go. Look at this output. You see how professional it came out? The lighting, the pose, the way the jersey fits. It looks like it was shot by a professional photographer and edited by an expert designer. Let's add more. So I have got this football PNG. Now I'm going to attach it in chat box and give it prompt like this. And wait for a few seconds. And here's the consistent result. But that's not all. Lovart isn't just limited to static images. You can also generate professional videos for your brand right in the same canvas. For that, click on this Generate Video option. Just type what you want in the text bar. For example, camera slowly orbit right to left around the athlete in red Manchester United jersey as he smoothly moves the soccer ball from tucked under his arm to holding it with both hands in front of him. Professional studio lighting, cinematic motion. Then select any model from the drop-down menu. Lovart provides access to all industry-level video generation models such as new Kling 3.0, Veo 3.1, Helio AI, and more. Now we hit generate, and in a matter of minutes, you'll have a professional quality video ready to use. And there you go. You essentially get a professional graphic designer and videographer right in your laptop, working exactly as you command, 24/7, without any complaints or coffee breaks. Now there's no excuse left for you creators and entrepreneurs. Just use your creative mind and Lovart to get the shit done. To access Lovart and start creating your own professional designs and videos, check the pinned comment or the description below. I've put a direct link there for you. And hey, if you found this video helpful and want to see more AI tool reviews and tutorials like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next part.